When you roll the dice and make a selection, you are not able to keep the score you selected and move on to the next round. In the next few steps, you will build out an algorithm. Wow, algorithm that keeps track of and displays each score for all 6 rounds of the game. Start by creating an arrow function. You can do that by cons, and then the arrow function name would be update score, camel case, equal, and then the parentheses for its parameter, equal, which is greater than symbol, and then curly braces for the functionalities of our arrow function. And inside of the parentheses is where we input the parameters or arguments, sometimes arguments rather, but in our case it would be parameters, selected value, and then achieved. Nice.